AutoLeap Digital Vehicle Inspections help you boost shop transparency, build customer trust, and drive sales. Create easy-to-understand inspection reports that result in higher service approval rates. Simply add an inspection checklist to a repair order and assign a technician to begin the process. Pre-built checklists for your technicians make inspections super easy. Technicians can quickly mark the condition of each item in the Technician app using a color-coded key. Red needs immediate action. Orange will need attention in the near future. Green, okay. Show your customers exactly why they need a repair service. Your technicians can add images, notes, videos, and audio files to each inspection item. The results will automatically be loaded on the repair order screen. You can send the inspection results straight to your customers' phones to help them easily approve new services. AutoLeap, the one-stop solution for all your shop management needs. Book a demo today.